Welcome to John's Maths book. In this video we're going to be looking at exponents. Let's start by looking at what we mean by an exponent. So in this example we have a large 3 and in the top right hand corner of it we have a much smaller 3. The larger 3 is known as the base number and the smaller 3 is known as the exponent. It can sometimes be referred to as the power and sometimes the index. This particular configuration is sometimes referred to as 3 raised to the power of 3. We now know what an exponent looks like, so let's take a look at what it actually means. So going back to our example of 3 raised to the power of 3, this means multiply the base number by itself 3 times. So the base number is 3, the exponent part is 3. So the exponent part dictates how many times to multiply the base number by itself. So let's take a look at what 3 to the power of 3 actually is. So 3 to the power of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which in this case is 27. So we've taken a look at what positive exponents mean. Now let's take a look at what a negative exponent means. So our example here shows 3 to the power of minus 3. So in this case, the exponent part is negative 3 and the base number is 3. So whenever we see a negative value as part of the exponent, we always think 1 divided by. So in this case, 3 to the power of negative 3 means 1 divided by, and then the exponent part. So 3 times 3 times 3, which in this case is 1 divided by 27. For exercise number 1, let's see if we can work out what 2 to the power of 3 is. So pause the video now and see if you can work out the answer. So hopefully you got the answer. So in this case, we have a base number of 2 and we have an exponent of 3. This means multiply the base number by itself 3 times. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, which in this case is 8. For exercise number 2, let's see if we can work out what 2 to the minus 3 is. So pause the video now and see if you can work out the answer. So hopefully you got the answer. So we got 2 to the minus 3, or 2 to the power of minus 3. Now we know that a minus means 1 divided by, so let's write 1 divided by. So we have 1 divided by, and then we have 2 to the power of minus 3, so that means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, and that equals 1 divided by 8, or 1/8. For exercise number 3, let's see if we can work out what 4 to the power of 2 is, or otherwise known as 4 squared. Pause the video now and see if you can work out the answer. So hopefully you've got the answer. Let's see if we can do it. So the base number in this case is 4 and the exponent, or the power, is 2. So that means multiply the base number by itself twice. So in this case that equals 4 times 4, which in this case is 16. So hopefully you got the right answer. So for exercise number 4, let's try 5 to the power of minus 2. So pause the video now and see if you can work out the right answer. So hopefully you got the right answer. Now we got 5 to the power of minus 2. Now we know that a minus means 1 divided by, so let's put that one in to start with. So 1 divided by, and then 5 to the power of 2. So that is the base number, which is 5 to the power of 2. So that's the base number multiplied by itself twice. So that's 5 times 5. And that is equal to 1 over 25. Hopefully you got the correct answer. So that concludes this video on positive and negative exponents. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you do enjoy these videos, then please like, subscribe and share. Our next video will be on fractional exponents.